it is pretty awesome that somebody can call your number anytime and get somebody. It's I feel like it's almost unheard of.
Mm.
Um, and so how does that matching forces with demand, capacity with demand, what are those struggles for you, or are they?
I talk with various leaders from these organizations that are in our network and others almost every day. And almost every day I hear we've got vacancies, we can't fill them, staff shortages. I mean, it's a national crisis. It really is. And I don't use the word crisis often, but really it's a big problem. So many people left the field during and immediately after the pandemic started to ease due to burnout, family issues, a host of things. There aren't enough people coming up in the pipeline to replace them. I think part of the reason for that is the pay level in this field is not competitive with
Terrible.
other fields. It's terrible. Who's going to go and get a master's degree in social work, expend all that time and money, and then get a job that pays less than you would get paid for many other professions that require the same level of education? You've got to be really dedicated, and then deal with all the stress that comes with the job afterward. It really takes a lot for people to go into this field, and I don't think a lot of people recognize that. But it's a very demanding field, and there just are not enough. And I'm not just talking social workers, it's psychiatrists,
It's peers.
it's peers, it's
Yeah, yeah.
psychiatrists,
It's
it's
everywhere, right?
everywhere. It's just terrible. So matching the resource, it's an ongoing issue. It's not just a matter of, here, we'll give you the money, go create a program. It's, are you going to be able to find the staff to be able
Right.
to staff that program? And actually, there was a grant that we talked about as a network that was one of the major drawbacks, was because what was required in the grant was something that we knew would be very difficult for us to meet in terms of staffing. And everybody is struggling with that. So I don't have an answer.
Yeah.
We threw a lot of money at all of these positions and somehow magically raised the salaries, got more doctors to choose psychiatry as a profession, raised pay levels. I think it would go a long way toward easing the crisis, but I personally don't see this easing up anytime soon.
And I
Sorry to
can
be so grim, but that's my opinion.